eating everything in this whole store. So right now, I'm not eating the rice. Whatever. That's a lot of food I was gonna eat. Okay, wait. I'm gonna see. Is that me try something? It's okay. If you already have Toca, you probably already know this. But if you don't, it's okay. So you're gonna go to this place where there's food. Next, after, you're gonna find some spicy ramen at this place, beside the sushi place. Next, you're gonna eat it. You can quickly make yourself hungry. No. And then, yeah. Okay, let's go eat some sweets. Yeah. Okay. What do you think is better, donuts or gummy bears? Let me know in the comments. Cake, tasty. Now we get a lollipop. This is the last thing, man. And no. What? It's not empty. Oh wait. Cool. Now we drink it. What do you drink? Coffee. I don't actually drink coffee because that coffee is disgusting. I don't like coffee. Yeah, if you drink coffee, sorry. I bet most of you watching don't. But if you are watching and don't like coffee, comment no coffee and bye.